Hey, what's up, Bepro holder? This is warning for all Bepro network because this time you can see here the current condition is going to be very wrong and completely fails down and from last 24 hour and the current time exactly, my friend, all crypto market, not just unique Bepro, all crypto market is completely fails down. So very terrible condition. What's the main reason? What's the next kind of time and upcoming time the price is going up or fails down? Everything I discuss you because if you don't skip this video, I hope you never lost and you never lost, my brother. So let's see. Before I get started this video, I request you, my brother, kindly subscribe this channel and press the bell icons and select the all option for videos notification. Thank you so much, everyone. All right, to the point. This time, if you can see, my brother, the last 24-hour chart is on the screen, and this chart you can see here show you minus 14.12% fails down. What a big change occurred, my brother. I can't expect this, but before network don't see this a short fail. I hope, my friend, after this fails, they also take a very good jump. You can see here this time they fails down, but after this fail, you can see they get starting moving upwards. So definitely it's a short fail, it's a short jump, but I hope, my friends, they completely continuously moving upward. So just only pray for this, my friend. I hope they will give you very good profit. The price is 0.014568 USD dollar, and I hope they will hit, my friend, 0.1 USD dollar just and only at the end of this month. So let's check out, my friends. I hope in upcoming times they're moving upward, and after this prediction, my brother, we clearly said this, my friends, to upcoming time they're moving upward. You can see this time also the chart occur is going to be very good. Plus 4.82% they moving upward. The price will be increased, the price will be in the profit. So it's mean to this is a good time for all from all Bepro network holders. So kindly hold it, don't sell it, and wait for a good time. I hope, my brother, the price will increase now in upcoming time. I give you guaranteed. So kindly hold it, don't sell it, and wait for a good time. Thanks for watching. Please like this video, subscribe this channel, and press the bell icon. Select the all option for videos notification.